Hello.
Those who know me know my passion for burgers, and wherever I go in the world, I end up trying a few burgers in
Gonna
that
choose
place.
one to make right now.
So I was in Chiang Mai for some time in Thailand, and I googled for good burgers, and this joint was one of the top-rated burger joints in Chiang Mai.
Cheese, two bacon, two cheese balls. Seasoning with pepper?
Pepper and stuff.
And in fact, to my surprise, there was nothing glitzy about it. It was a super local lady who was doing this burger, right? No razzmatazz, no fancy setup, no. I mean, you get the point, right? Have a look. And I will not dishonor the establishment and the way it has been done by reviewing the burger. I mean, have a look at it. How much authentic and how much, well, authentic might not be the word, but you see how it is being done, right? There's no review that can justify. I mean, this is good, right? Just have a look again.
Happy birthday to you. Such a massive balloon. It's okay.
Even though this footage is older from the day this video is being posted, but you can still look at this Google information here. It's 4.4 star in Chiang Mai. So 3 crown burgers, Chiang Mai, go try it out.